Good morning to all. Today our topic is on introduction of refrigeration, small problem. So see here, 100 kg of ice at minus 5 degrees centigrade is placed in bunker to cool some vegetables. 24 hours later, that the ice has melted into the water at 10 degrees centigrade. What is the average rate of cooling in kilojoule per hour? The ton of refrigeration provided by the ice. So these are the specific heat of ice. The value 1.94. Specific heat for the water is equal to 4.186. Latent heat of fusion for the ice is 0 degrees at 0 degrees centigrade, 335 kilojoule per kg. So this problem, we need to find the average rate of cooling in kilojoule per hour and a ton of refrigeration provided by ice. So this problem, nothing. So 100 kg of ice placed in a bunker to cool some vegetables. To cool some vegetables. The initial temperature of that ice is minus 5 degrees centigrade. After 24 hours, after 24 hours, the condition of ice is melted and its temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. So how much amount of heat absorbed by the ice from the vegetables? We need to find in 24 hours. How much amount of heat absorbed by the ice in 24 hours from the vegetables? So that is a problem. So see this plot. See this plot. The initial temperature of ice is minus 5 degrees centigrade. The final temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. So from minus 5 to 0 degrees centigrade, that is A to B, this is the sensible heat absorption. Sensible heat absorption from the vegetables. Sensible heat absorption, that is sensible heat is added to the ice. Sensible heat is added to ice. The changes in temperature minus 5 to 0 degrees centigrade. At 0 degrees centigrade, it absorbs the latent heat from the vegetables and changes its phase from solid state to liquid state. At 0 again, at, that is from B to C, latent heat absorption from the vegetables. Next, from C to D, that is the late sensible heat absorption from the vegetables. That is CT2. The temperature up to 10 degrees, it absorbs the sensible heat from the vegetables. So టోటల్గా ఎంత అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ నుంచి అబ్జర్వ్డ్ బై ద ఐస్. సో దట్ ద టోటల్ హీట్ ఈక్వల్ టు is equal to QAB sensible heat plus QBC latent heat, QCD sensible heat. So the total Q is equal to so the sensible heat formula is equal to MC delta T. So the delta T means temperature of TB minus temperature of TA. So the temperature at A, temperature at B. So next, latent heat, that is equal to M into L. So next, sensible heat is equal to MC. This is at ice level, this is at water. MC delta T, that is the change in temperature from temperature at point D minus temperature at point C. So in this value, common value is mass. So mass C1 TB minus TA plus L plus CW Td minus Tc. So this is the final equation. So we know the mass of the ice is equal to, that is 100 kgs. So C1 that is the ice, specific heat of ice is equal to 1.94. So the temperature at point B, that is equal to 0 degree centigrade, minus Ta, that is at point this Ta, temperature at Ta, that is -5, plus latent heat is equal, that is equal to 335, plus the specific heat at ice, specific heat of water is equal to 4.186. The temperature at point D, the final temperature, that is equal to 10 degrees. So temperature at 0 C, at point C is equal to 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade. From the calculation we will get the value 38,600. 38,600 kilojoules of heat is absorbed by the ice from the vegetables. How much amount of heat absorbed by the ice from the vegetables in 24 hours? That is equal to 38,600 kilojoules of heat is absorbed by the ice from the vegetables in the bunker. So in 24 hours. In 1 hour, how much amount of heat is absorbed by that ice? That is equal to, in 1 hour. In 1 hour is equal to, that is equal to 38,600 divided by 24. That is equal to, from the calculation, 1611 kilojoule per hour. Kilojoule per hour. Kilojoule per hour. So in ton of refrigeration, 1206 kilojoule per hour. In ton of refrigeration, 1206 per in hour. Ton of refrigeration in hour is equal to 12,600. So for that one, so the capacity of this plant in ton of refrigeration is equal to, so 1611 divided by 12,600. So that from that value is equal to 0.127. This is the capacity of plant in ton of refrigeration. So the amount of heat absorbed from the vegetables in 24 hours is equal to 38,600. In 1 hour is equal to, in 1 hour the amount of heat absorbed by the ice in 1 hour from the vegetables is equal to 1611 kilojoule per hour. So in the capacity in ton of refrigeration is equal to 0.127. So this is the problem. Okay, thank you.